Voracious is an adjective that describes an intense hunger or eagerness often related to consuming food, knowledge, or experiences in large quantities. The origins: the word comes from the Latin vorax, meaning devouring or greedy, which is derived from vorare, to swallow, or devour. It entered English in the 17th century with a strong association with insatiable appetites. Explanation and usage: voracious is commonly used to describe extreme enthusiasm or an insatiable desire, whether for food, learning, or any pursuit. Example sentences: she's a voracious reader, finishing multiple books a week. His voracious curiosity led him to explore various scientific fields. But cultural significance: the word is often used in discussions of intellectual passion, consumer culture, and even metaphorically in describing social or political behavior where an insatiable demand exists. A synonyms: insatiable, impossible to satisfy; ravenous, extremely hungry; greedy, desiring more than what is needed. Antonyms: satiated, fully satisfied; moderate, exercising restraint; indifferent, lacking enthusiasm or interest. Key takeaway: voracious conveys an unstoppable hunger or passion, whether for food, knowledge, or experiences, emphasizing an intense and often unquenchable desire. Subscribe